Hello kids, today we have 6 puzzles and we're gonna start with the elephant, and we also have giraffe, panda, crab, fish and lion. Let's start. And let's collect our puzzle. Okay, where should we start? Let's take this first ear of the elephant and let's think together where we should place it on this board. Maybe should we place it here? No, this is the leg of the elephant, but this is the ear. So let's try here. Yes, it works. Let's continue. Here we have the elephant head. We have the eyes of the elephant. Let's think together how we should place it. Should we place like this? No, it doesn't go like that. Let's turn around 2 times. 1 and 2. And let's place it like this. Yes, it does work. Let's take second ear of the elephant. And let's think where we should place. Remember, we placed this first ear here, so this is the second one. So we should place it where? Exactly, we should place it here. Great. Let's continue with our puzzle journey. And let's take the elephant nose, and it's also called the elephant trunk. Let's place it here. Yes. Great. We have placed another puzzle. Let's continue with elephant leg. And we have 2 puzzle pieces. And let's place the leg here and also this one here. So we're gonna combine them together, and you can see we have the left leg of the elephant. Let's do the same for the right side. Let's place it here and then add this one here. And you can see we've done our first puzzle, the elephant puzzle, and we place on the board several puzzles. Let's count them together. So this one is left ear, this one is right ear, this is the head of the elephant, and here we have left leg and right leg. And here is the small fact about the elephant. Elephant has long noses called trunks, and they use them like a big snorkels to drink water. Yes, that looks amazing. Can you see how the elephant drinks the water? Great. Let's continue with our other puzzles. You're doing great. And here we have a panda. And let's do the puzzle of the panda. And let's start with the panda face. Look how shiny the panda face is with the eyes. And where we should place this? On a board. Yes, we should place it here. That's right. And let's continue with the panda ears. We have 2 ears. They look like mushrooms, but we need to place them on a board. Where you think we should place them? Here or here? Let's think together. The ears are... Yes, it's here. Correct. And we placed 2 ears into the board. We left with 4 puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's go with the body of the panda. And let's think where we can place it. Should we try here? No. Can you see that there is the part that connects with this part? Yes, that's right. Let's place it here. Great. And next one, we have a belly of the panda. And let's think where we should place it. Yes, right, we can place it here. Let's go with the right leg. And where we should place it? Here or here? This is called the left leg, and this is called the right leg. Right, and we have right leg, so it goes here. And we left with the last puzzle piece. and it's a left leg. Let's think together where we should place it. Right, we should place it here on the left side. We have the left leg. Yes, we completed the panda puzzle. And pandas love to eat bamboo all day. And sometimes they look like they're giving the bamboo a big hug. Yes, that's a panda. And we've done it really good. An amazing job here. You're doing great. Let's continue with our next puzzle. And let's start with the fish puzzle. And we have this fish, really colorful. Oh no, we need to place the puzzle pieces on the board. And let's count the puzzle pieces that we have. Let's see. We have face of the fish. We have body of the fish together, and we have tail of the fish. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's start with the face of the fish. Let's think together where we should place it on the board. And here you can see we have a tail of the fish. So the face of the fish goes front here. That's right. So we have the first puzzle piece on the board. And let's take our tail and let's think where we should place it. Do you think we should place it here? No, it doesn't go here because it's a body of the fish. So the tail goes in the back. Yes, here it goes. That's great. And we left with the 3 puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3 that we need to place on the board. The body of the fish contains 3 puzzle pieces, and we have the biggest puzzle piece for the fish. And it's a big body pack puzzle piece. Let's think together where we should place it. Maybe here? No. Maybe let's turn and place it here? No, it doesn't go. We need to connect these 2 holes with the other parts of the fish. Let's try. Yes, it goes like this. Great. We've placed the first body part of the fish. And let's continue with other part. A bit smaller. It's a medium size. Let's think together where we should place it. And it's the bottom part of the fish. And this is the middle part of the fish. And this is, yes, this is the bottom part of the fish. And we should place it here. Great, well done. And we have our last, smallest puzzle piece that we should place. Let's think together where we should place this puzzle piece. We only left one place on the board. Yes, it should go... Yes, you're right, it should go here. Correct. And we have our fish puzzle collected. All the pieces are collected and we've done it. Here is the small fact about the fish. Fish have gills to help them breathe underwater, just like we use our noses to breathe in the air. Well done, great job. Let's continue with the next puzzle. And we have the puzzle with the lion. Wow, I'm really curious how we can collect all the puzzle pieces. Let's start. And let's count how many puzzles we need to combine to have the lion. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's start with the face of the lion and let's think where we should place on the board. I think it should go here because around we're gonna have hair of the lion. Okay, let's go with the first puzzle piece of the hair and where we should place it. Let's think together. I think it's not the up part, but it's a bottom part. Let's try like this to place on the board. Yes, we have 2 puzzle pieces on the board. Let's continue with other ones. And let's try to put on the board the body of the lion, or as it's called, the belly of the lion. Let's think where we should place it. So here we have a hair of the lion, but here we have legs and the body. So the body of the lion goes here, right? And then we have two legs. We have left leg and the right leg. Which one of these legs is left leg? This one or this one? Yes, it's this one. It's a left leg. Let's place it on the board. Right. And we have the right leg. Let's try to place it on the board. Strange, it doesn't go like this. Maybe we should turn around 2 times. 1 and 2. And try again. Yes, we succeeded. Let's continue with the next. And the last puzzle piece is the hair of the lion. Or we can call it fur of the lion. Let's try. Should we place like this? Yes, you can see that it goes really well with the whole puzzle. And we've collected all the puzzles and combined them. And we have a lion. And the small fact about the lion is that lions are big cats that sometimes sound like they are saying roar just to say hello. Great, we finished the lion puzzle piece and we can continue with the next one. You're doing really well. And we have our next puzzle piece. And here we can see giraffe. Right, it's a giraffe. So let's start with the puzzle giraffe. And let's count together how many puzzle pieces we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great, we have 5 puzzle pieces. And let's start with the face of the giraffe, the smiling face. And let's think together where we should place. Should we place here? No, because this is the legs of the puzzle piece. This is the tail, the body. And we should place the face of the giraffe here. Right, yes. And it's our first puzzle piece on the board. Let's continue with the next one. And we have left with 4 puzzle pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's take the tail and think where we should place it on the board. I think the tail should go. Do you know where it should go? Yes, it should go here. And we have the second puzzle piece on the board. And here you can see we have a leg. But which leg we should place? The right or the left? And you can see that the left leg is the smallest one. So let's take and try. Yes, it does work. We already have 3 puzzle pieces on the board. We already completed the giraffe. And we have left with the 2 puzzle pieces, 1 and 2. This is the left leg of the giraffe and this is the body of the giraffe. And let's take the body of the giraffe and think together where we should place it. Let's think. We only have 2 puzzle pieces. Yes, it should go here. And we've connected the face, the body, the tail, and the right leg, the smallest leg. And we left with the last one leg. And it's a left side leg. Let's try. Yes, we've completed the whole puzzle. And we've collected all puzzle pieces. Let's count together. 1, face. 2, body. 3, the tail. 4, the right leg, small one. And the 5 is the left leg, the big one. And here is the small fact about the giraffes. Giraffes have super long necks, so they can reach and munch on a tippy-toe tree leaves. Great, we've collected all the puzzles and completed the giraffe puzzle. Let's continue with the next one. And here we have the next puzzle piece. And this is our last puzzle piece. And this puzzle piece is about crab, right? Look how funny the crab is. And the crab is red color. Yeah, let's start with this puzzle. And let's count how many puzzle pieces we have. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And let's start with the first puzzle piece. With the crab, with the name. And the name of the crab we should place, yes, on the top. Here is the name of this puzzle. Great. Let's continue. Let's take the eye of the crab and let's place it. Should we place it here? No. Maybe we should place it like this. No, let's turn 2 times. 1 and 2. And let's try right now. Yes, we have the second puzzle piece on the board. And we are left with 2 puzzle pieces. Let's take the left eye of the crab. Right. Let's place it. Where do you think we should place it? Yes, I know. We should place it here. Great. And we have 3 puzzle pieces. And we are left with the last puzzle piece. And it is the mouth of the crab. And let's take it and think where we should place. And we only have one spot where we can place the puzzle piece. And let's try like this. No, it doesn't work like that. Let's turn around 2 times. 1 and 2. And let's try again. And it's a mouth of the crab. Great! We collect all the puzzle pieces. And there is the small fact about the crab. Crabs walk sideways, like they are doing a funny dance at the beach. Like this. Yes, and we've done all the puzzle pieces. Yay, congratulations! We've done the elephant, the crab, the panda, the giraffe, the lion, and the fish. Yay! We've done everything! And we've collected all puzzle pieces. Great!
Thank you, kids! Bye! See you next time! Don't forget to subscribe!